is that we all get it. Don't give in to the pain, just keep living, cause
got dreams I'm striving for. So I'm gonna live higher. I'm gonna live higher. I got dreams I'm striving.
What's up, guys? It's Toby Rosario. Today I wanted to just do a quick walkthrough of a recent rehab that Lee, he's been in one of my several videos previously. He's a local investor out here in South Jersey, a realtor as well. So we're just going to go through the rehab. We're going to talk about where he found the deal, what's the purchase price, kind of where the market is going, and what he sold it for. And he's actually looking for deals as well. So he'll walk us through the rehab here, so just watch. All right, so this is the rehab here. We got Lee here. Can you walk us through this particular deal? Walk us through how you found it. You know, any challenges you had with that deal, purchase price, rehab cost, what you sold it for, and kind of where the market's going.
So I purchased this property. It was a wholesaler that had it online. I know him from a couple of other deals, but he sent it to me. So I said, yeah, I'll take it. He added up for $58,000. I guess he forgot to put like his assignment fee on it, so we ended up agreeing at $63,500. The closing costs and everything were in at $65,000. The property, if you look at it on my Instagram, Goodfella Lee, no, it's the real Lee Garcia. I changed it over. Real Lee Garcia. You'll go on there and you see what it looked like before. I buy my properties more cosmetic rehab. I'm not into going
like full rehabs.
Nah, cosmetic rehab in this market. Honestly, every investor I'm talking to, that's what they're really looking for is cosmetic rehabs. They don't even be in them that long because we don't know where the market is going. Because right now it's sizzling. I just had to come in here. I had to redo the walls. They had some wallpaper on them. The floors were hardwood floors, but we decided to put vinyl over them. Just gave it a different look. I opened up this more. It's a townhome, but it looks way bigger because this has so many openings. Changed this. Usually I do recessed lighting. I decided to go with this, Amazon, cheap, but it makes it look totally different. My cabinets, Home Depot, that whole kitchen right there, you're looking at right there, it's probably $2,100, $2,200. But it makes it look great.
You mean like the appliances? Or the
appliances, with everything, I think it's like about $2,400. I mean, you don't have to go crazy. I mean, I have certain connections, but you don't have to go crazy with a rehab. You look at rehabs, and people be like, oh, I wasted $16,000 on the kitchen. This kitchen looks amazing. I mean, it's not top quality, but it's great. I mean,
it looks great. Yeah.
It looks great, you know.
Looks like good quality.
Home decor with the backsplash. I have a guy that I use for my granites, use them all on my projects. Home Depot appliances. I have a guy who gets appliances at a good price. Use them appliances.
How many bedrooms is it?
This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. The basement is partially finished. This property is under contract right now. I put it up for $137,900. It's under contract right now for $145,000.
What are you seeing with the market right now? I'll let you answer that since you're a realtor.
What do I see?
Yeah.
I see a lack of inventory and a lot of buyers.
A lot of buyers.
So everything that you're buying, literally I tell my clients that want to buy, we have to start looking for houses $10,000 under your price you're approved for.
You mean
under? So if you're approved for $145,000, realistically you gotta start looking for a house for $135,000. So why? Because when you come and you like a house, you have wiggle room of $10,000 to
overbid.
Yeah, because it's all bidding. You see, you got a small little bathroom, a small bedroom right there.
Okay.
These doors are the same doors that were in the house. Up here I didn't have to change no walls. All the walls were intact. It's just paint. Same kitchen, same bathroom, all our rehabs.
Well, how much was the bathroom? How much was the bathroom cost?
This one was a little bit more expensive. I had to change the tub. I think this one, say about $3,000, $4,000.
That's not bad.
I mean, the material is about $2,500.
So all in, how much?
All in 25, 26 up here right now. I'm gonna check something out here.
So you got it from the wholesale at $63,000, right?
$63,000.
What was his assignment fee?
Assignment fee was $5,000.
And what's important is you don't really care of what the wholesaler makes as long as the numbers.
As long as the numbers work, I don't really care. You send me deals, they work. I'm an agent, so I have a lot of buyers too. So, you know, I deal with a lot of investors that are calling me. I know they're calling you, Toby, every day. Yeah, you got deals, you got deals. It's just a lack of inventory,
It's
man.
just a lack of inventory.
Yeah, I mean, all over, you know, so, you know, I'm actually under contract right now on an off-market deal I picked up. Same house. And I'm picking it up for 58. So it's the same exact, literally like the whole house is the same. It's not in this area, it's a little bit on the other side, about a mile from here. It's the same house. And that one, I'm gonna rehab it the same way. And I'm gonna see where we're at in the market. I really wanna keep it as a buy and hold. But if there's a lack of inventory still in the market and I can get 125, 130 for that property, then I might have to flip it.
Talk about the contingency that you told me about you have with this particular deal.
Oh, so well, as far as like
You have it. You told me you had it at 145, but
I have it at 145. I'm a part of a mastermind, Ascent, with Alex Pardo, and I reached out to one of the girls on there, Tracy. I forget her last name, and she told me leave. She was the agent at that particular time. Now she just buys and sells. She still has a license, but I don't think she uses it. She's a killer, and she does so many deals in Arizona. But anyway, I reached out to her and I said, listen, I got this property, man. I had a $135,000 cash offer, which is like when you're cash, no appraisal, no nothing.
right, it's basically
But I had
no inspections. Boom.
I
you
had
close
like
next
so
week.
many offers over asking. So I said, listen, I'm thinking about taking this off. And they told me, Lee, do not leave meat on the bone. Go for as much as you can. And this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna tell a person, if it doesn't appraise, are you willing to come up? And literally the agent, my office works with him on a lot of deals, and the new agent is great at what he does. And he said, Lee, we're willing to even go up to 150, but we're scared it might not appraise for that. So we're gonna give you 145, and we're willing to bring money to the table as far as it doesn't appraise. So
Yeah, that's a great contingency because I had a deal on the contract. It actually appraised very low, and sometimes what we found is, or what Lee has found is that a lot of the appraisals are coming back a little lower than what they originally thought.
Very lower. Very lower.
So that's a good contingency just to have. Like, look, are you willing to come up if the appraisal comes in low? That way you still get the
So I mean, you know,
market price.
so worst case, I mean, it doesn't even matter. I'm gonna get 145 at this point. But it's a great deal. It's gonna be my biggest gross and flip. Over 50K, I'll make up this flip. It's the most I've made. It's about like almost 60.
And you're still looking for deals, right?
Looking for deals anywhere in Camden County. And I'm also paying right now. My company, we decided to forget that $500 referral fee, forget that $1,000. We'll pay you up to $5,000. If it's not listed with an agent and not bank owned, we'll pay you up to $5,000. And if another wholesaler doesn't have it, like don't send me a deal that another wholesaler has. I'll pay you something for the finder's fee, but I'm not gonna give you $5,000 obviously because that wholesaler has to pay his assignment fee too. But let's say if it's like somebody next door to you and they want to look for a quick sale, you plug them in with me, I'll buy it, I'm paying up to $5,000 referral fees. So win-win.
Any last words for anybody watching?
Send me deals, add me on the real Lee Garcia on Instagram.
All right, peace.